In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Google Calendar automatically, ensuring you never lose important calendar data again. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you frequently access your calendar online. Once you're there, if you aren't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so now. Enter your credentials carefully, and if you've enabled two-factor authentication, be sure to complete that step as well for added security. Once you're in Google Calendar, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a small gear icon. That's your settings button, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here select Settings. Now that you're in the settings panel, focus your attention on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find Import and Export, which you should click on next. Doing so will bring up options related to exporting your calendar data. Here, select Export, which will prompt Google to create a zip file containing your calendar information. This is a great option for a one-time backup, but what if you want to make sure your calendar data is consistently backed up without having to remember to do it manually? This is where Google Takeout comes into play. Navigate to Google Takeout's website to enable automatic backups. Once there, you'll see a list of Google services, including Google Calendar. Make sure to select Google Calendar. After that, scroll down and hit the Next Step button. Google Takeout allows you to choose the frequency of your backups. You can opt for a one-time export if you only need a snapshot of your current data. Alternatively, for ongoing peace of mind, you can set it up to export every 2 months for a year. This setting ensures that your calendar data is backed up at regular intervals without any extra effort on your part. Whenever a backup is prepared, Google will send you an email with a download link to easily access your data. If all looks good, move forward by clicking Create Export. Google will start processing your request, which might take some time depending on the amount of data. You'll be notified by email once your backup is ready to download, and there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now set up to be backed up automatically through Google Takeout. By following these simple steps, you can protect your valuable schedule from unexpected data loss. Keep these backups handy, especially if you rely heavily on your calendar for managing events and appointments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.